This year marks the 10th anniversary of the Academy's Connecting STEM Teachers programme. We are delighted that the programme has had such an impact with teachers and students over the past 10 years. We are now active in over 1,000 schools, working with almost 2,000 teachers right across the UK.
We were going through a time where uptake in physics, maths and engineering were at a low and were not attracting the students that we wanted to. And since the support of the Royal Academy, we've been blessed to see engineering and STEM subjects just explode in terms of their popularity and interest with our students.
The Royal Academy of Engineering has done a lot of work, not just in the classroom, but across the entire UK and globally, to improve students, parents and teachers' understanding of STEM industries. For our students here at Wales High School, the CST programme has given them so many opportunities, from face-to-face celebration events to amazing webinars with engineers from all around the world, and it's really brought global STEM industries into the classrooms and homes of students, not only in my school, but across the UK.
I think introducing STEM to students at a young age is massively important because it could easily help to shape their career ambitions and what it is they do once they leave school. And so the more we continue to cultivate an environment where students understand the importance and the enjoyment that can be drawn from a career in STEM, the better.
The purpose of us being here is because of the young people we've got in our care and the impact of the STEM facilities, the STEM learning, the STEM teachers who are wonderful, inspirational teachers, has really been noticeable. They've been able to create things which they didn't have before. We've been working through those skills, building on those year on year, and we're really seeing a really positive group of young people leaving our school, and so we're really pleased how that ethos is spreading through the school.
I've worked with the Royal Academy of Engineering for the last 6 years, and we have a lot of interesting discussions and sharing of experiences so that we can promote STEM in the best way possible. We've tried to involve ourselves with industry, and we have a number of industrial partners that help us out with engineering projects. Engineering and technology have always been an optional subject, so we've promoted that as much as we can, especially with girls. And we have many girls who have gone through into engineering, some working in Formula 1, quite a few working in the computing industry and gaming. And they add a great deal. The girls that we've had have been exceptional in what they've achieved.
I am currently studying computer science and ICT at GCSE. I'm interested in STEM mainly in the game design area. I think the Royal Academy of Engineering has made a really positive influence on the school, especially down in our new STEM building. We've had a lot of new equipment added, so coming to here has given me loads of opportunities and given me a new job path, which I wouldn't have thought was possible until I experienced all the STEM facilities they have here.
We are bringing to life engineering for many thousands of young people in the UK, giving them the confidence and the interest to pursue careers in engineering.